All right, hello everyone, and today we are at Universiti Kuala Lumpur MIAT Campus, which is specializing in aircraft maintenance engineering program. So we are going to go into the hangar here. So hangar is the one who actually all the students practice the theoretical part will be in the classroom, and this will be the practical side. We are going to go into the hangar. We are going to take a look at what is inside. Come, let's. All right, so we are at the inside of the hangar from UNIKL. As you can see, there are many aircraft. According to the supervisor here, they have total of 14 aircraft for students to do the practical, and out of 14, 3 planes are actually flyable. So this is, you can see, this is one of them, and this is one of them, and this is one of them. So as a students, they actually engage in the practical side of the aircraft. And if I'm not mistaken, in Malaysia, this is one of the biggest hangars for students to practice their practical side. So today, potentially, we are going to interview 1 or 2 students who are studying in UNIKL, and to ask some details about the UNIKL modules and the licensing part from their supervisor. Stay tuned with us. Today, we discover UNIKL Malaysia. Hello everyone, today we are at UNIKL MIAT Campus, which is specializing in aircraft maintenance engineering programs. So we have a special guest to represent UNIKL MIAT to explain a bit about the program. So we would like to get to know the representative from the UNIKL. So would you like to introduce yourself, your name, your position, and what you do here?
Okay, my name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Sazali. I am an aircraft technician in UNIKL MIAT Hangar. So my duty is to assist the student to carry out practical, also prepare the aircraft for the student practical, and also to ensure that the safety in the practical is to be enforced.
So Mr. Hafiz, can you please explain to us what are the programs offered in the MIAT campus in UNIKL? Maybe starting from, do you have foundation? No, right?
In MIAT, we are offering courses like diploma. Okay. We have a bachelor. We also have a master, and also we have a special program which is a professional license, which is the related to the CAM license.
What is CAM?
CAM is a Civil Aviation Authority Malaysia.
So the students, when they graduate together with the Civil Authority Malaysian licensing as well?
No. Actually, they have gone through a process where they have to sit for a examination, written examination. After they have finished, they have it depends on the trade. For like B1, like a B1, they have B1 and the B2. Okay. Both of that have 13 modules to be accomplished. Okay. After they accomplish the written of 13 module, they have to sit for the assessment. Mean that with the professional assessor, which is assigned by the campus. Okay. There's a person assigned by the campus.
So then they actually, after the examination, if they pass, they become the license. Is it like that?
Not yet. After they finish their assessment, they have need to collect the work experience. Oh. So the work experience, they have to go to the industry.
How many years of working experience?
It's about 5 years working experience.
So Mr. Hafiz, we are actually in the hangar now. So I can see it's very huge. So this one, I'm just curious, like how many airplanes that can fit into the hangar in UNIKL, and how many levels of the hangars. Tell us a bit about this hangar.
Okay, about this hangar is divided into 3 hangars. Okay. We have hangar 1, we have hangar 2, and then we have hangar 3. The hangar 3 is we lease the area to the private company, which is Malaysian Helicopter Services. Oh, okay. About the airplane inside here, actually currently we have around 14 aircraft.
14.
Okay, but most of it is not flyable anymore.
Okay.
Because of what you can say, because of the certificate of airworthiness is not being enforced anymore, because it ceased to be official. So inside here also we have 3 aircraft that we can start it for simulation purposes.
Okay.
Yes.
Like
We have a Falcon 20,
okay.
and then we have a Cessna 152, the yellow color one,
Okay.
and then also we have the Cessna 206, the red color at the back of in front of the.
Which is start.
We can start it just for simulation purposes.
Okay.
Incoming, probably we are going to operate this Eagle 150
Okay.
soon,
Okay.
because we are in process of what you call it, to fix all the problem
In the plane.
In the plane.
How many students can fittings estimately for the hangar?
Okay, this hangar, they can fit around 80 to 90 people per session.
80 to 90 students can engage.
Yes.
All right, so before we end the video, can you please educate our viewers about the intakes for the UNIKL, for the aircraft programs in the MIAT campus?
Okay, normally there will be three times in a year the intake. Okay, first in January, second in July, and also we have in October. October mostly is a program for aviation management student. Okay.
Great. So thank you very much, Mr. Hafiz, to educate our viewers about the MIAT campus program and the licensing part. And if our students and the parents, if are interested to get to know more about aviation and the aviation programs, you can get in touch with us. We are happy to give the details about UNIKL MIAT Campus. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Hello everyone, and today we are at UNIKL, which is the specialized campus for aircraft maintenance engineering. So we have one of the student currently in the first year. Third year, doing the diploma aircraft maintenance. So we're gonna ask him about a couple of details. Would you like to tell us your name and where you're from?
Right. So my name is Muhammad Madah, and people usually call me Mat. I am from Kuala Lumpur, Selangor. So it's very close here. And my program is aeroplane maintenance.
Great. So Mat, right? So Mat, tell us a bit about the program. Why did you choose this diploma program in UNIKL, and why specifically UNIKL?
So why specifically UNIKL is actually very random. It's because of my sister. My sister used to go to UNIKL in Kuala Lumpur. But then I applied there, and I applied many UNIKLs in Selangor, but I didn't get one until MIAT offers me here. So I think here is very good for students who are willing to learn about airplanes and the maintenance, everything. I think is very good for students who like mechanical maintenance.
So Mad, tell us a bit about your diploma, what you guys learn mainly. If these viewers or the students and the parents watching these videos, if they are interested for your program, what kind of things that they need to fulfill to get into the program?
Okay, so my experience for diploma here, on the first year, which is SEM 1 and SEM 2, we didn't do much practicals as much as now. Like right now, I'm in my internship time. So during my diploma years, when you get to certain SEMs like SEM 3 or SEM 4, and then you will start to do more practicals in the hangar and everything. So for the students who wants to come to MIAT, I encourage you very highly, because I think you can learn a lot here, and aeroplanes and stuff, and you meet new friends, and the supervisors are very, very nice. Yeah.
All right. So Mad, final two questions. Tell us a bit about the campus, the location, and how near this is to the KL airport, and how is your internship going?
Okay, so this MIAT, the location is, I think, it's very strategic. It's pretty close to KLIA, which is about 20 or 30 minutes. And as of me, my house is very near. It's about 5 kilometers from here, which is very, very close. And
How is the internship?
Oh yeah, the internship. Okay, so I just started internship. This week is my third week, and as of now, I feel very, very excited for more works to do.
Great. Final message from you, Mad, to the students, those who are looking forward to become aircraft maintenance engineers, and those who are actually having the passion to this industry. What is your final message? about UNIKL MIAT Campus and the Malaysia overall as for the study and the program.
My final message, I would say, take your chances. I think chances come often. So whenever there's a chance, you took it.
Great, Mad. Thank you very much for doing this interview with us, and wish you all the best for your internship and your future career. Thank you.
Agape Education Malaysia, your gateway to higher education in Malaysia.